Alright, we got a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Got about 95,000 miles on it. It comes with two fobs as well as remote start. It's my first time starting it up this morning, so give it a little remote start here. It works good there. Just getting here to show you it is cold. Like I said, about 95,000 miles. The leather interior. Navigation as well. There's no lights on the dash. The doors are super easy to open, which is big in Wranglers. You know, sometimes they get a little stiff because the exterior hinges here get all corroded. These hinges are not too bad, so super simple to move. One thing to note on Wranglers as well, other than those hinges, sometimes the roofs are leaky. If you're ever looking at them, pay attention down in here. Sometimes they'll be filled with water. In this case, you know, they'd be filled with ice. This one's super clean, no water getting in here, so we know that the roof is not leaking. It's a good runner and driver. Let me get this hood open. Sorry about that. Good runner and driver. Good sounding motor. With all this super cold we've had, the battery has held up. We've never had to jump it, so it's a strong battery. It's closed up. Couple things to note. Does have a little imperfection here in the fender. Obviously, you know, with almost 100,000 miles, it's not going to be perfect, but it's definitely, for 100,000 miles, you know, not half bad. Little paint chip up here as well. And then we do have this imperfection here. Underneath, take it out for a little drive. You can see shifting points. It's already starting to warm up in here, so it warms up pretty quick. Awesome thing about these Wranglers, you know, you can become part of the Wrangler family. Whenever you pass another Wrangler, you give a little wave. It's pretty interesting. Not too many people know about it. Excuse the ice falling off the roof. Navigation works great. Does have heated seats as well. Cruise control on the steering wheel. It's nice. Get back up to speed here. I'll be quiet, let you listen. Little Wrangler. Nice Wrangler wave. No lights on after the drive. Get that seatbelt lid off just by buckling up. Door locks. Closed here. All work great. And one more, if I can get it in this video here. Yeah, we'll go right here. Windows. Everything's in great working order. Heat's warm, air's cold. Nice 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, about 95,000 miles.